Today I'd like to look at being proactive rather than being reactive to have a positive outcome for philanthropy. How do we make sure that people that might have less give more? And one of the ways is to make sure that we all, as leaders in philanthropy, think proactively. It's very easy at this times to be constantly responding to incoming emails or questions or inquiries. That doesn't grow the pie, it doesn't grow the whole philanthropic sector. We need to find the space and time to think, how can we act proactively? How can we think in terms of partnerships, as I previously discussed? How can we reach out to new donors? How we can develop new ideas? If we're leading a foundation, how can we work with other foundations in the world to do things that are innovative and new? How can we find the space in our time to work with our board, our staff, to think proactively in terms of new ideas and new partnerships? What's clear is the world is in a very different place. New partnerships, new trends, new themes are emerging, and they're coming through proactive activity. If we're constantly being reactive and just retrench into our organisations, it will mean that people are likely to give less. They're likely to be less inspired. They're likely to actually reduce in terms of their giving. It's very, very difficult to constantly be proactive. It takes a lot of energy, it takes a lot of commitment, a lot of drive. You have to create what we call in Global Philanthropic the time and space to think about these things proactively. So create that time and space. Think about how you can be proactive. Think about how you can apply that proactivity. Think about how you manage your own time and make sure that you have time to think about things in a proactive way. It's only through this that we will help to increase philanthropy, increase giving in these very difficult times.